Okay, today we're going to take a look at how to add a Google map to your website. What a Google map looks like is something like this, and it shows the location of your business. Your visitors can then zoom in. They can see street information. They can zoom out, and we could also put the actual address to the company right there. So let's go ahead and take a look at how this is done. We're going to get out of that and get into our tutorials website. If you've been following along with the tutorials, you're familiar with the tutorials website. We are actually going to dive down in, clicking on the edit button. We're going to go into live examples, which is where I'm putting the live examples for the tutorials. And I'm going to go ahead and add a page. Here, I'm going to go ahead and put in our location. And I'm going to choose the text-based page. Okay. And we recommend the text-based page for this because it's not a complicated thing that we're doing. And we just want to have just a few simple input boxes to go ahead and put in our text and our map. Okay, and in the top input box, I'm going to go ahead and put something like how to find us. And here I could put the company address. I could put something like specific directions, on Highway 9, travel south, etc. And I could say, coming from the north, coming from the south, coming from, different points nearby. And then let's go ahead and skip down to the next box. And this is where we're going to go ahead and put our map information. So let's go ahead and go to how we get our map. I'm here at maps.google.com, which is their address for looking up maps. Most people are familiar with that. Maps.google.com. We're going to save your visitors some time by going ahead and putting the correct map into the website. So here I'm just going to go ahead and put in SiteSkins, and I'm going to do a search, find our map. Okay, and we actually aren't open to the public, but this is just for the example here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this link icon right here. It says link. We're going to click on that. And we're going to go down into the paste HTML to embed in website down here, okay? Basically click inside there. You should be able to just click in there once and it should highlight the entire thing. Now I'm going to right click and choose copy, or you can do a Control-C on your keyboard or Command-C on the Mac. Okay, I'm going to copy that and then I'm going to go ahead and close there and return back to our editor. And we go ahead and simply paste that in. Let me go back. I can actually right click and choose paste, or I can click inside the box and do a Control-V on the keyboard. Control and the letter V and paste that in there. Okay. Now, one other thing that I'm going to want to do, because I like to center my maps, so I'm going to go ahead and put in a center tag in addition to what's here. Now, we don't need to do this. You could just do a paste in if you're not, if you're not really worried about it. You just want the map in there. But this is how you would actually center in the object so that it floats in, around about the middle of the page. Okay, and that's all there is to it. We would put our how to find us information, type whatever we wish to type in there, and we put in our map, and then I'm going to click publish and exit. And we'll go ahead and preview the website and see what we've got. We can go into live examples and look under our location, and as you can see, we've got our nice little Google map here. It shows our little flag, and if you hover, it says SiteSkins. And then people can zoom in, they can zoom out, and they can get a feel for exactly where your place of business is. If if you run a nursery or something like that, where people need to be able to find you to buy plants or whatever the case, or drop off kids, I guess, depending on whatever nursery it is. And that's how you would put your map in there. It comes up real nice. And then, of course, above here would be your whatever text information you put in there. Now, it's important to note you could put text information below the map as well. You can just add another paragraph box and type whatever you wish below there. So it's a real handy way to put that information right into your website. And that is how Google Maps can be added to your SiteSkins site. I hope this was helpful and informative, and thanks for watching.